See that panel right there? I'm taking that out. But first, we have to tell you what we're working on. The no name and no face. And it is so we're going to take this out and this out because I already made a video of that. I'm going to stitch them together. And now, so with plenty of tools at our disposal, we have to remove this door. You can use something like this, go in between the crack, and while you have it open, you can use your hand or an actual tool, but your hand could be just as good. You see? Now, we got screws 1, 2, and 3. Don't forget number 4. I already took it out. And it goes over. You see? And then it pops out towards you. And that's it. That shroud coming out. Screws. He said 1 screw right there. And then you turn the wheel so you can get to the top part. You want to pull this down and pull the actual column out. You see? Now, gently, this pops out. This are pretty tight. These guys are pretty tight. So I use something like this to get into the corner. Right there. And you see they're just little clips. Clip, 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 clip. Alright. Now that allows you to remove the top part of the shell. With both of them out of the way, I see this overlapped. I said, I don't see any screws, so let me just pull. So I started pulling, and very gently, this popped out. Just enough to get this back behind it. Now very carefully, it's very tight. I came up top here, so I sort of straightened it out as I was pulling from down here. You see? Alright. That got to the edge when I finally got to here, and then used this again because it is just all clips. You see? Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. But these are kind of tight. That's what you're sort of releasing the pressure off of. These sit nice and tight in here. Alright. So, there you have these controls. And now, I can say, here is the part number. So let's take this out of the trim. It's all going to be screws. That's all it really is. You got screws everywhere. Yep, 1, 2, 3. So 6 in total. Let's take them out and show you that's how you do it. Yep, that's how you do it. Just those 6 screws. So we're going to put it back, and we're going to tell you, like it, don't like it, you want to unplug them, come on. That's all you got to do. This you got to squeeze. Same thing over here. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.